Burudi Dam is a prominent picnic spot for the people of Jharkhand and West Bengal because of its awestruck scenic beauty and poised atmosphere. The dam is one of the best places for the offbeat weekend getaway and is the perfect place for you and your loved ones for a much awaited road trip if you are hailing from Jharkhand or West Bengal. Burudi Dam is located in Ghatsila, a small town in the East Singhbhum district of Jharkhand. Ghatsila is a small town located in the bank of river Subarnarekha and is surrounded by the Dalma Hills. The town lies on the forest land and is located on the border of state of Jharkhand and West Bengal. Bururi Dam was constructed by the Britishers during the British era. The dam lies amid the beautiful Dalma Hills and is a famous picnic spot for the people of Jharkhand and West Bengal. Though a lot of people from Jharkhand and West Bengal visit the dam each year, it is yet not known to many because of its remote locations. Bururi Dam is located very close to the Dalma Hills, which shelters the famous Dalma Wildlife Sanctuary, the home to many wild elephants. As a result, Burudi is also visited by wild elephants occasionally. The waterfall, which is towards the end of the Burudi Dam, is the place where most of the elephants go and drink water in the forest. It's a very thin source of water which is coming down from the roots of the trees, but that fills the complete dam. Jharkhand Tourism Development is planning to make an eco-friendly tourist spot soon and by starting some thrilling water activities for the tourists like banana boat ride, water surfing, and many more. Meanwhile, one can enjoy motor and pedal boating around the lake while admiring the blue Dalma Hills. The climate of this Burri Dam is pretty much tropical. The summer months ranges from March to June and the temperature varies from 35 to 40 degrees centigrade. The month of April May are the hottest. However, the best time to go to this dam is between the months of November and February. With the temperature falling between 10 to 15 degrees centigrade, it is a very peaceful atmosphere and amidst the nature. If you're coming down from Kolkata, Burur Dam can reach by road or the railways. If you're boarding a train, you can get down at the Ghatshila station or you can take your bike and come for a treat in a bike ride. It is very much near from Jamshedpur. If you're planning a road trip from Jamshedpur, Bururi Dam should be in your bucket list. The distance between Jamshedpur to Bururi Dam is just 50 kilometers via the NH18, which takes approximately 1.5 hours to 2 hours to reach. One can also board the train from Jharsuguda to Tatanagar or Jamshedpur. 3 kilometers by walk
or 15 minutes drive from the Bururi Dam, you reach the Dharagiri Falls. It's a small spring in the midst of hill and jungle. The stream is crystal clear and cold. You have to walk for around 5 to 10 minutes more from the parking lot to reach to the main area. The path is full of stones and rocks, so you have to be very much careful. It is not very much advised for elderly or small kids to go to that particular fall because of the small stones and everywhere. Interestingly, there is a small stream which divides the Jharkhand and West Bengal. It is basically the border between Jharkhand and West Bengal to reach to this Dharagiri Falls. Burudi Dam falls in Jharkhand, whereas this Dharagiri Falls they fall in West Bengal. The area is very green and calm and definitely enjoyable and soothing atmosphere. It is not accessible to many tourists yet, hence you can find the peace of nature around you. If possible, you can carry your old clothes, unused clothes, and donate to the poor villages near the falls because they are extremely poor and it is very difficult for them to meet the both ends.
Well, if you're visiting the Bururi Dam, you can of course carry your own food if you wish to. But if you feel that you would like to have the fresh delicacies near the dam from the Santals, a proper Santali food, you have options there. The place where I had the food, they served the fresh chicken and the rice which was freshly made. So let me invite you to the beautiful Pururi Dam and the Dharagiri Falls. I hope this video can give you a clear picture of the mother nature and the beauties of the jungle. Do visit this place and let me know if you like this video in the comments below. Till then, signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.